imagine typing a few keywords and getting back the best title for that post. Or imagine just pasting a website and getting a fully generated article with better search engine optimization than that website. Yeah, it's crazy. Welcome to Bytes of Code. So we're all used to seeing ChatGPT, especially like this. This is the default kind of view, like the welcome screen, we can almost say. It's the new chat. So what you want to do is go over to Google Chrome extensions and look for AIPRM for ChatGPT, and there's going to be a link in the description. Go ahead and add that to Chrome. Once you add that to Chrome, it'll open its own new tab for ChatGPT, and just go ahead, read everything and confirm. Now we can see kind of how the page has changed from ChatGPT. It no longer looks like this. It now looks like this. And I'm going to go ahead and straight go for the keyword strategy. Click on keyword strategy, and there are a ton of other options here that you can play around with too, but I am going to go for keyword strategy. And at this point, at the bottom, you can type your keyword. And let's pretend we're in a business having to do something with local baked goods. Let's pretend we're in a city. Let's just say we're in Seattle. And you can see here already how much ChatGPT has changed its look. We're getting keyword clusters, keywords, search intent, titles, and meta description. Usually at this point, what you're really looking for, the heavy hitter, is going to be right here in the title. And it's going to be based on basically a couple keywords picked out from your prompt. What this extension is doing in the background is basically writing a massive prompt for ChatGPT, and it's able to get ChatGPT to spit out this type of result. And this is crazy how ChatGPT is able to give us basically titles and meta descriptions for our search engine optimization. So what you'd want to do, especially if you're doing something like maybe a video or a blog post, or even just a regular social media post, or maybe even a news article, you just go ahead and take out these titles that you're looking for and probably integrate these descriptions into your post as well. And this is a crazy good extension for ChatGPT that'll make sure that your search engine optimization is great. So not only can you use keyword strategies, but you can use OUTRANK article. And what this does is it lets you type in a URL and then reads that blog post or that news article, and it creates an SEO better optimized than what you've just typed in. I just Googled vegan recipes 2022. I came out with this. It came out towards the top of my feed in Google. I'm just going to paste this and I'm going to see what happens. So this is absolutely crazy. Not only is it giving us an actual article being written, but it's giving us actual recipes to follow for this specific type of topic. These recipes are not even on the article. I'm looking through the article now and they're not on this article, but so this must be a better optimized SEO than the recipes that are on the article. So we end up getting this towards the end. Sorry, you can't complete the response, but I'm sure that you get the idea of how crazy this extension is for ChatGPT. Again, I have the link in the description. Thank you guys for taking your time to watch this video. If you like the video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, anything you want to say, go ahead and put it in the comment section. Thank you guys again, and I hope to see you at the next video.